I'm going to walk you through the process of completing your 4-H exhibit form, or what is also known as your goal sheet. You should have one 4-H exhibit form for each exhibit you bring to county fair.
The form looks like this. It includes a set of 3 questions.
Let's take a look at these 3 questions and help you complete your exhibit form in the best way possible.
The first question is, what was your exhibit goal? This is essentially asking, what skills do or did you want to learn? Remember, goals need to be SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely.
Specific,
measurable, attainable,
realistic, and timely.
Also, a goal has 3 parts. A is for action. This is the what is going to happen, or the verb of the goal. R is for result. This is the result of the action that was stated. T is for timeline. When will the goal happen?
Let's take a look at some potential goals and how we can make them stronger.
I want to make a quilt.
I want to piece together a quilt by my grandma's birthday.
I want to learn how to bake.
I want to learn how to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch by Christmas.
I want to learn how to make a skirt.
I want to learn how to sew pockets into a skirt by homecoming dance.
I want to learn how to take a picture of a child.
I want to learn how to capture a picture of a child moving by fair.
Did you notice how all of these goals included the action, result, and timeline? Be specific as to what skills you wanted to learn during this process.
The next question is, what steps did you take to learn or do this? This is where you are going to paint the picture of what occurred. Tell this story as if you were telling it to someone who had no idea what you were talking about. You are the expert in this project, so share your expertise. Pictures are not required, but are a great visual for the judge to see what you've done. Ask a parent, sibling, friend, or volunteer to capture your hard work during this time. The final question is, what were the most important things you learned? This is where you reflect on the specific skill and what you learned throughout the process. Maybe something went wrong with your project and you learned something specific because of that. Was there anything related to art principles and design elements that you learned? Was there one technique you thought worked better than another? What worked really well and what didn't? If you were to do it over, would you do the same thing and why? Or would you change something? These are all things to think about when filling out the 3rd question on the form. The 4-H exhibit form is available on the Extension website or through your county extension office. We recommend you type your 4-H exhibit sheets if possible, or use black or blue ink in your best handwriting. You do not need to use this exact form as long as you ensure all of the information is included. Have someone proof your work. Although you are not judged on the write-up by itself, it is important to have a professional look, and this will help prepare you for the future. Your goal sheet should reflect your age and length of time in the project. A 4th grader's exhibit form is going to have less details than a 12th grader's. Keep in mind, as you get older, you won't be able to keep doing what you did in 4th grade. Please reach out to your county extension office if you have specific questions about filling out your 4-H exhibit form.
It can sometimes be difficult to know which class to enter your exhibit in. It all comes back to what your goal was.
We'll see you at the fair.